Okay, here's the, I'm going to pronounce AOKDA K8. It's the children's electric bike, ages 3 to 6. I have some still pictures on how it was packaged. It was very well packaged. Everything was safely put together in the box for transport. So this is what we have. Here is the tools. It comes in a nice little zip bag. It's kind of nice to see that they packaged it. Nice little zipper, nylon bag. So the tools they give you, all you need. So I'll assemble the tire. The tire just has this pin. There's a plastic spacer. You can adjust the spacer. Slides right in. Put the spacer on the other side. There's a nut. And this is what, you just adjust the nut on each side to how centered you want it. So right now I'll just put it where it's visually in the middle. Okay, just to save a little time, I just assembled this right now. It's just this nut that goes into the pin. It screws to tighten. This is the container that locks right into here to hold it on. This will just lock right into there. And the nut just is keep the tension on the spacer. So just drop this in. And it connects. And you just do the very same to the other side. And it's in there. And you just tension these up. Until they're tight. That was tight. There you go. There's the wheel. So from here, I will put on collar, and this faces you. All right. The words face the rider. Just drop down, and this is what you'll use to tighten it when it's time. Yellow to yellow. There's a certain way it goes in. You just look for the little pins to line up. Snaps in. Green to green. Line the pins up. Snaps in. You can adjust here the handles how you want. Same thing for the seat. The seat has the same collar. So I just straighten it up. And you just tighten it down. There you go. Now, in order to turn it on, there's a button right here. This is the power button. This is your charging port. That's your power button. So when you power it on,
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
All right. That's how you start her up. Now the charging takes about 3 hours to charge. We'll just plug that end in, and it's the average 120 volt. Okay. And there you have that. All right, well, there's a couple little cool features, you know, like the lights. You know, the kids might like the little changing of the lights. So if you hit the accelerator, of course, the red is the brake. That's your brake. When you brake, you have those colors. But to change the colors, like right now, it's flashing blue. Hit it once, it'll flash red. And then yellow, red back and forth, green, blue, multicolors. So different little things that the kids might find pretty neat. And they have that option. All right, there's 2 speeds. in order to change from the first speed to the second speed, which is, I guess you consider slow and just a little bit faster, hold the brake down, hit the accelerator twice, and you'll hear 2 beeps. All right, and then get it started. Hold it down and get it started. Now that's the second gear. That's the one that's a little bit faster. Okay? In order to go to the other gear, same thing. Hold it down, accelerator twice, and get her started. And there's your first speed. So just to recap, hold the brake down, to the accelerator twice, and then hold it down and get moving. And that's just the way you change from one speed to the next. And there's only 2 speeds.